All right, we got this old engine with a scored cylinder. We've removed the piston, the crank shaft. We've removed the valves. We're going to hone this cylinder, and we are going to do a valve check. All right, so we honed the cylinder, and you can see there's a pretty nice crosshatch pattern here, but there's still some scoring that we can't get out. So this is the type of cylinder that we'd have to bore over. Got most of the scoring out, but not the real deep stuff. Yeah, you can really see the damage on the piston where it's scoring against the cylinder almost all the way around. We've cleaned up the valve seats here, and we are going to cut these seats. So we've cut 60 degrees on the bottom, 31 degrees on the top, and 46 degrees in the middle. That is our 3-angle valve job. Here's our exhaust valve. We're going to do a 45-angle valve face on this using our Quickway valve cutting machine. Here's our freshly faced exhaust valve, and we're going to put that in our 3-angle valve job seat.